Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the world of carpet stain removers. If you're a homeowner like me, you know the pain of seeing a fresh stain on your beautiful carpet. But don't worry, I've got you covered with the best carpet stain removers on Amazon for 2025. Let's get into my top 3 picks. First up, we have the Rocco and Roxie Professional Strength Stain and Odor Eliminator. This one is a game changer. It's not just for carpets but also works on upholstery, clothes, and even pet bedding. What makes it stand out is its enzyme-activated formula that tackles both stains and odors at the source. Just spray it on, let it sit for a bit, and blot it up. Users rave about its effectiveness, especially for pet stains, plus it's chlorine-free and safe for kids and pets. Definitely a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. Next, let's talk about the Woolite InstaClean Permanent Stain Remover. This one is perfect for those emergency spills. It claims to remove stains in just 30 seconds, and guess what? It really does. From red wine to coffee, this little bottle works wonders. It's also safe for most carpets and fabrics, which is a huge plus. The oxygen-based formula lifts stains quickly, so you don't have to worry about scrubbing for hours. And the best part? No harsh chemicals. It's a quick, easy, and effective solution for those unexpected messes. Lastly, we have the Folex Instant Carpet Spot Remover. This one's a classic and has been a favorite for years. What I love about Folex is its simplicity and reliability. No rinsing, vacuuming, or waiting for it to dry. Just apply, rub with your fingers or a cloth, and watch the stain disappear. It's water-based and non-toxic, making it safe for everyone in the household. And it's not just for carpets, it works on any color-fast material that can be safely dampened with water. Folex is a versatile and powerful cleaner that stands the test of time. So, there you have it. My top 3 carpet stain removers on Amazon for 2025. Each of these products brings something unique to the table, and they all get the job done. Whether you're dealing with pet stains, wine spills, or just everyday messes, these stain removers have got your back. Links to all the products are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more home care tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.